Welcome to this episode of Duct Tape Dreams. This is a very exciting one. Spray day. Got a booth. Got a beefy. Got some paint. Just got to blow him down and give him a bit of a wipe and push him in the booth, which will be interesting because I'll try and get him up a ramp. That's all part of it. And tape him all up, and we're ready to do my first ever patina paint job. No idea what we're really doing and how it's going to go, but how hard can it be? So stay tuned for this one. This is going to be a bit of fun for me, really, is having a go at something I've never done before. So, and we also get to see some colour finally on Beefy, which has been a long time coming, so let's get into it. Got it in the booth, we've got all the panels hung, mixed up the colours, got our red oxide, our black and the blue we're talking about going over top of all that. So mixed them up, we'll see how we go. He's all bagged, panels are hanging, looking pretty cool with the green highlights actually. So we've tack clothed it, so we've got dust off, so I dare say we just start painting. Let's see where it goes, see how these mixtures mix, because hopefully we don't have that trouble where we had that very thin runny blue. I've only gone 1:1 ratio with it. Still seems very watery. I'm not overly happy with the quality of it, but hopefully for what we're doing it'll be fine, so let's give it a go. Well, I've used up all the red, so we might as well say that's done. Not going to buy any more. So we've got the red base coat hazed on. Just went round and thickened up these sorts of top areas where we're going to be rubbing through. Doors have it on too. So now we shall sprinkle some black in the areas I tend to rub through, because I can't really coat it all in black. Like I said, I don't think our blue's going to cover it. I found the last mix I did, I actually went like a 75-25 ratio instead of a recommended 1:1 or 1.5:1, and that actually coated a lot better. So, but like I said, we've used it all up now, we're not buying any more, so we shall now get into sprinkling some black. Let's go.